All right, class. In this lesson, we are going to learn about building a resume using a template. So let's jump right into it. So we're going to be creating a resume. And remember, a resume is a document for showing prospective employers what your skills and education are and why they should hire you. That's what it's for. It's a document to convince someone why they should hire you. And we're going to use a template, which means it's going to have pre-built blocks. So you should have this instruction sheet up and running when you go through this so that you can follow along. So we're going to start with using a template. When we're in Microsoft Word, we have Microsoft Word launched here. And normally we would click on blank document, but this time we're going to click on more templates here. And we're going to search in the search box here for resume, R-E-S-U-M-E. And we're going to look for the essential design resume. That's the type that we're going to use. And you can see there are tons of different templates that you can use. So if you want to create your own at another time in the future when you're looking to get a job, you can create a bunch of unique looking resumes that are for specific jobs. You can have basic ones. We're going to look for this one called the Essential Design Resume. So you might have to scroll down a bit and find this, the Essential Design Resume. We click on this and sometimes it'll give us options for different ways to create a template. In this one, we just have one way. So we're going to click on Create the Template. And here it is. So the template already knows who I am because I'm logged in up here. So it puts my name in as the name up here. And then it has these what are called building blocks. So these building blocks are pre-formatted blocks that we can use to fill in information about ourselves. And you saw there was even a little box to connect to LinkedIn, which is a social media site for business for creating online resumes, essentially. And you can automatically fill in some of your information from LinkedIn through that service. We're not going to go into that in this course. So these building blocks are the building blocks of a template. They are the way that we use templates. And you're going to learn how to create a new building block as one of the instructions. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the Design tab. We can see in the instructions here, it wants us, once we have created our resume, we're then going to go to the Design tab, Themes, and select Gallery. So in these instructions, each one of those arrows is a different place that you need to go. So it says Design tab here, Themes, which is this button here, and the Themes we're going to look for the Gallery type in Themes. So we're going to look through here. There's Gallery right there. So I'm going to click on Gallery, and you'll see that that changes the colors and the style of my template. Next thing you're going to do is put in the name Jenny G. Jones if you're going to follow these instructions precisely. Now, if you're going to fill out your own resume, which you can do for this assignment, keep the name as it is and fill in your own information down below. If you don't want to put in your address, your own email, you can put in all of the school information. So 5440 Valley Circle Boulevard is the school. Put in your school email address and the school phone number as well, just as it is in the instructions. From there, you're going to, again, follow these instructions, and you have two options. First option is to follow it precisely and fill it out for Jenny G. Jones, or if you would like to, you can fill it out for yourself, giving yourself your own objective, your own educational background, your own experience background, but you do need to follow these instructions for that. So creating a new building block instruction here on page 4, you're going to create another experience section. So here we only have one spot for a new company for experience. We're going to create a new one and insert it in between skills and experience so that you have a new building block. And that building blocks are in the Insert tab. And from the Insert tab, you can find over here the Quick Parts section. I'm sorry, it's not there. It's in Insert. Where did Quick Parts go? It's in here. I think I need to select this. There we go. Quick Parts will be in text over here. So that is how you're going to complete the assignment. fairly straightforward. Follow the instructions step by step, and you will get an A. No problem. The bottom half of your document should look like this, from experience down through professional organizations, and the top half of your document should look like this. Everything should fit on one page. If it doesn't fit on one page, you've done something wrong. All right, that's everything for the resume assignment. Again, if you're doing it for your own resume that you want to build, it does still need to fit on just one page, and it needs to fill that entire page. There shouldn't be much blank space at the bottom. I'm sure that there are things that you can come up with for education and experience that you have done. You might have to get a little creative on and think a little bit outside the box for what experience may work for you on your first job, but you can fill that stuff out. All right, I will see you guys in the next video.